All right, so the next topic that I want to get into here, still dealing with sheets. You might recall earlier, when I first opened up this workbook, I got a single sheet, sheet 1. When I inserted a new sheet, just by clicking on the plus sign down there, do you remember how many worksheets you can have in a workbook? 255. So I can insert an additional worksheet. I can insert 254 more of them. But when I inserted a sheet, it got a default name of sheet 2. I insert another one. Now I got sheet 3 and so on. So something you're going to want to do to help you keep organized within your workbook. I'm doing maybe quarterly budgets. So my first worksheets, the first 3 months of the year, this will be quarter 1. Then I'll do the next 3 months on the next worksheet, that'll be quarter 2, and so on. So I'm going to want to rename them to keep me organized. Now to rename a worksheet, once again, another very simple, very quick technique here. I found the quickest way to rename a sheet, all you need to do, I'm going to rename sheet number 1. So I'm going to double click, just double click where it says sheet 1. This highlights the content and I can just rename it. We'll just call it quarter 1. Once I've typed it in there, I'm going to hit my enter key and I've now renamed the sheet. Let's see if I double click sheet 2, just the tab down at the bottom. Again, it highlights it and I'll call this one quarter 2. Hit my enter key and I've renamed the sheet. Really simple. Just double click the sheet tab down at the below, type in the name of the sheet, hit your enter key, and you're done. Really simple. Try it out. Open up your monthly budget, rename the sheet, call it quarter 1 or call it Fred. I really don't care. But name your worksheets. Keep yourself organized. Name those worksheets.